Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to jump right in and learn about a really important part of the English language. We're going to talk all about nouns.
So let's get started. Our mission today is super simple. We're going to figure out exactly what a noun is. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Okay, first things first. What even is a noun? I know, it might sound like a tricky grammar word, but trust me, the idea behind it is actually super simple.
At its heart, a noun is just a naming word. That's it. It's a word we use to name a person, a place, a thing, or even an idea. It's just what we call something.
Let's break that down a little. So when we talk about a person, we could be talking about a teacher or a doctor. For a place, you could think of a school or a park. A thing is easy, right? Like a book or a chair. And an idea, well, that's something you can't touch, like happiness or friendship. Let's look at just a few more examples here. For a person, we have the word teacher, or a specific name, like Allie. For place, we could say school, or a city. For a thing, there's book, or table. And for an idea, we've got something like happiness or love. See? They're all just names for things. Great job so far. Now that we know what a noun is, let's talk about two special kinds, common nouns and proper nouns. And I promise, this is way easier than it sounds. Okay, so here's the big difference. A common noun is just a general name, like boy or city. But a proper noun is a specific name for a particular person or place, like Ali or Lahore. The biggest clue, the one you can always count on, is that a proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Excellent work! Let's move on to our next big idea. Nouns can also tell us about how many of something there are, and that's where singular and plural nouns come into play. The word singular is really simple. It just means one, only one of something. For example, if you have one book, that's a singular noun. And if singular means one, well, you guessed it. Plural just means more than one. It could be two or three or even 100. So if you have two books, you're using a plural noun. See that little S that popped up on the end? So how do we make a noun plural? Well, the most common way is to just add an S right on the end. One cat becomes many cats. Simple. For some words, though, we add ES. Like with one box, it becomes many boxes. You are doing wonderfully. I think you're ready to try a little practice. And don't you worry, we're going to do it together. This is just to help everything we've learned really sink in. All right, have a look at this sentence. The teacher is kind. Can you spot the naming word? Which word is the noun? Take a moment and think about it. If you said teacher, you are absolutely right. A teacher is a person, so that's our noun. And since it's a general name, it's a common noun. Well done. Let's try just one more. The sentence is, Lahore is a big city. What do you think the noun is here? Remember what we said about those specific names. The noun is Lahore. Yep, it's the specific name of a place, and you can even see it starts with a capital letter. That makes it a proper noun. Excellent work. You're getting this so fast. So, after all that, what's the one thing you really need to remember? It's this. A noun is a naming word. If you remember that, you've totally understood the most important part of today's lesson. And as you keep learning, just keep this in mind. Start with nouns, build your basics, and your English journey becomes much easier. You've taken a really wonderful first step today. Thanks for learning with me.